Just tell me when we're live. We're live? Hey! Hello there, everybody. We stole Bill Binko's phone from the Adapt-A-Thon today in order to tell you a little bit about what's going on here. My name is Jackson.
I'm Alex.
And we are with FRC Team 4118. And now I'm going to let Alex tell you a little bit about what's going on here today, what we're doing.
Alright, so we're at the Toy Adapt-A-Thon. What we're actually doing here is we're adapting toys for kids with limited motor control skills. So say if a child has quadriplegia, they don't have the motor skills to be able to move their fingers in a way to play with the way most of these toys are meant to be played with. So what we're actually doing, and what we'll show you, is we're going around and we're rewiring to make them run off of buttons that are easy to press. And actually we'll go around and show you.
Yeah, so we've got tons of teams here today, organizations, several other FRC teams, Exploding Bacon, Gravy, some organizations from UF, Grip, I think Vox is here too. I know they were here last week for sure. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and start showing you around. Yeah, so as you can see, it's really busy out here today. So now we're just going to go talk to some people. Hey guys, we're doing a little Facebook Live from Bill Binko's phone. Could you tell us a little bit about what you guys are working on?
Well, we're currently working on modifying the Uno attack games. We're modifying it so instead of having to press the switch for it to eject the card, press the button for it.
Awesome. Awesome, very cool. Have you been having a good time?
Yeah.
Awesome. Have you learned any new skills, soldering, gotten team?
I'm our electrical captain, so I already do it all. I'm just teaching other kids now.
Yeah, but it gives a good opportunity for new team members to learn while doing something to help the community. That's awesome. That's awesome. Thank you. Now I'm going to go over here and talk to some more people. Hello, everyone. We're running a Facebook Live from Bill Binko's phone, actually. Could we get someone to talk about what's going on at this station over here?
I can go. All right. So we're making these scout dolls, which have a bunch of different functions, and so we're wiring them together for different switches that can be used by children who are differently able.
Awesome. So working on popular toy and stuff. I've been able to teach some of your team members some new skills.
Yeah, like Ian over there is newer, and we're teaching, and Ruth and I are teaching him different skills. A lot of our students are benefiting from this as well, trying to learn electrical stuff and figure that out if they're like
Yeah, very cool. Thank you for talking with me.
All right, nice to meet you.
Have him show us the toy.
Oh yeah, would you mind showing us one of the toys?
I don't think any of them are quite finished.
None of them are completed? We'll go over to the completed section.
This is one. It's just this little bear here, this little dog that jumps around. And
I don't think it jumps around.
It doesn't jump around, but it says hi, and it does a lot of cool stuff. But there are some completed ones.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Yeah, we were adapting tons of toys here today. What was the number? Was it over 100?
Over 100 toys.
Over 100 toys that we're going to go and help distribute to those of you in the community, which is super awesome. And what was it? And we also were working on switches too. Some cheaper variations of switches, 3D printing, modifying those around, setting them up. Super awesome. Let's continue going on. Let's see if we could get a model for how one of these toys works. So that way you can see what exactly it is that we're doing. Hey, we're just doing a Facebook Live feed from Bill Binko, and it's going around and seeing what's going on here today. So you're working on a dinosaur toy?
Yeah. About to finish. Works. See, well, it should move now.
Oh, nice.
Just the actual switch of the toy got ripped out, so I have to fix it.
Oh, gotcha. That's what I'm working on right now. Nice. Very cool.
Not nice.
No, not nice, but you got it fixed up, it looks like.
Almost there.
You're almost there?
Yeah.
Nice. Keep up the good work. Thank you. Thank you. So you got a little demonstration of how it works with that button over there. That button is actually 3D printed, and it hooks up into the toys. So all you need is a simple move of your hand in order to activate them. Even the slightest motion will help you be able to play with the toy and see that interaction. Cool. So let's keep this going through here and see what's going on. Hey guys, we got my favorite team. No, I'm kidding. I was saying you guys are my favorite team, 4118, right? Definitely not because I'm part of it. No. Yeah, so we're doing this on Facebook Live for Build Binko, going around and showing some of the stuff going on. And Adrian is actually our assistive technology dude for our team, who helps coordinate a lot of that stuff. So Adrian, do you want to say a little something?
Right now I have just 4 cables right here for the 4 buttons on Scout.
Have fun stuff.
Just regular soldering right there, heat shrink. And then using this Cat 5 cable, I'm just opening up the end so I can use this box. Plug in a couple of aux cables and then have it attached to the switches. Playing with that. So that's what I'm doing right now, and it feels good. It feels good to finally get the skills to use.
Awesome. Thank you, Adrian. Anyways, now we're going to take you over to see the man himself, the Bill Binko, whose account we're actually streaming. He's over here working at the station that's always very busy. It's the place that you go whenever things don't quite work out the way that you expected. And he's a busy man over there helping teach some people some of the new skills and correct things. Looks like he's got a little line over there. Let's see if we can sneak in. Here, you want to get an action shot?
Hi.
What's up? We stole your phone to do a Facebook Live.
I know you did. How'd it go?
Oh, we're doing good. We're doing good.
So these guys, you want to tell them what you're here with and what you're doing?
And we're hoping to adapt toys for kids.
That's what Grip does, right?
Yeah. Well, what? So you and I are you're kind of.
All right, talk to the camera. Tell them.
So there's Grip does a lot of different stuff. Like they make the prosthetic hands, just only one hand. They do research on how to use hands, and what we're in is single-handed controllers. Basically, we adapt PS4, Xbox, GameCube, etc. controllers for kids who can only use one hand. So usually, you have buttons on both sides. We change it so you can have all buttons on one side.
And they're also going to have jacks on them. You're going to pull all the switches out on the jacks. And you know how to wire jacks in.
Now we know how to do that. That's the toolbox too.
All right, so hi everybody. It's a crazy day. So it's a lot crazier than I think we thought it was going to be. A lot of kids showed up. You guys brought like 20, right? So Grip brought 20, and you guys brought 15, and Gravy brought a bunch. We have a ton of kids, a ton of toys. This is my pal Scout. I'm going to show them how to adapt it. And I am at the Grinch station. You have a picture of my sign.
No, not yet. Remember that light up?
Yeah, I told him about the station.
Yeah, so the Grinch station is where things go when they die. When somebody has butchered a toy, and as you can see, we've had our fair share of butchering. They come back here and I help fix them. In this case, most of these were done just fine, but we found out that one of the jacks we were using is faulty, so I am going to replace all the jacks. So I'll be here for at least another hour doing jacks. So, anyways, you saw everybody?
We're going to go around some more, try to catch some of the people in the back.
All right, make sure you get the Gravy folks, especially Steve.
Yeah.
The old guy.
Yeah.
All right. So the old guy from Gravy. Bye. Bye, Jackson.
See ya.
Hey, on my phone.
Yes, nice. So that was the man himself. Now we're going to take you to the back. So you got to see up front where all the magic happens, and we tear things open and put the hot sticks in them. Now we're going to take you back to the people that have the real tough job of opening the packages without even being able to tell that they've been opened. What's up, guys? We're just doing a little Facebook Live for Bill Binko.
Hi.
Yes.
Let's go to this minion, but if you close it, there's still a little bit of space here, so we need to drill this part down to get it.
Nice.
It's coming along. Nearly there.
Yeah, well, we'll leave you to it.
Ruth's gonna be happy.
Thank you. Let's see, let's talk to these guys. We're working on the boxes. We're doing a little Facebook Live from Bill Binko talking about what's going on here today, what we're working on. Cool. So it looks like you're working on the boxes.
Yeah, I'm trying to meticulously remove everything. So
I was saying you have the real hard job back here working on.
put it back together.
Yeah. You want to make it look as natural as possible going back in there, right?
Okay.
Awesome. That one looks good. That one was already adapted, already opened up and
Already
stuff.
adapted, put back together, and repackaged.
Can't even tell that that one's been open. Doing it off the
That's
job
our
back
goal,
here.
man. That's our goal.
Yes, thank you very much.
Take care.
Awesome. Now let's see. Now testing station. This is where all of us come to cry when we learn that all of our hard work doesn't work. What's up, guys? How you doing? We're doing good. We're on a little Facebook Live for Bill Binko to show what's going on here today, what we're working on. Okay. So you guys are running the. You see the excitement when stuff works. Yes, that's the best feeling in the world, I'll tell you. Yes. So you guys have been running the testing station?
We're the testers. People bring stuff here for work. Good deal.
Looks like they're already busy working.
We don't have any batteries. These are only batteries we
Let's
have.
work our way over this way.
Gift wrapping station.
What?
The gift wrapping station.
I was gonna sell at a sewing station. Hey, how are you? We're doing a little Facebook Live for Bill Binko, going around showing all the stuff that's going on. So you're helping out the sewing station? Yes. What do you guys do over here?
Well, we show without all done. Well, when they open up the inside here, we sew it back together so it's nice and neat. Put it all back in there, ready to go.
Awesome.
Some animals, we sew their little paws back together. You guys rip them apart. Put them back together.
Well, that's awesome. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome.
I imagine it can be really hard at times, right?
That's right. You just got to get it just right.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
You go busy. Now we've got gift tags. This is where we get the opportunity to sign things, write a little happy message. Merry Christmas when we're all finished and things are running smooth. Hey guys, we're running a little Facebook Live for Bill Binko, going around showing what's going on.
Hi, Facebook. Hi.
You want to tell us a little bit about this station, what goes on over here?
Well, actually, we're all just floating around back and forth, but this is just the tagging, where the students will come up and write the team they're on and what they've done and put it on the tag, the toy that they've adapted. And then tie it with the ribbon. And then off the ribbon.
Awesome. That's super awesome. Thank you guys very much.
Thank you.
And I think we definitely want to get her, right?
Oh, hi.
Yes, we're running a little Facebook Live for Bill. Yes. We wanted to get you on. Oh yes. It's super awesome. I have a lot of fun. How about you? You got one of the dinosaurs?
Much harder than it looks.
What, the dinosaur or just all of them? All of them? I know. I was saying the best feeling is the world when you take it over to that table over there and it actually works when you press the button. Yeah, I know.
Then we gotta get over here with the last inspection.
Oh,
And wait right there, I have to go head down and say, hello. It's phenomenal. So you're interviewing lots of people?
yeah, we're just going around talking about what's going on. Yep.
Cool, you got his credit cards too.
Yeah, I know. It's credit cards right there on the back of his phone. I'm remembering those now. It's awesome. Well, thank you very much. And it looks like are you going to deliver that, track someone down? It looks like they're right behind you. Yes. Awesome. Thank you very much. Yeah. So that's sort of what's going on here today. We've got tons of FRC teams, FTC teams, UF groups. Everybody's just all around, just cranking out some adapted toys to deliver to children. And man, it's an amazing feeling being here. Awesome way to learn, develop skills on your team while doing something amazing for the community. And I think I'll let Bill wrap it up now. Mr. Binko.
So when I said those are way too long, you're going to want them way shorter. Now you know what I meant. Does it work? All right, I'm glad it worked. Wow, that's a big hole you have to cut there. Okay. It worked. It worked. So I would fill that hole with hot glue to hold it in place, and then yeah, I mean, you got a couple of choices. What I would do is I'm not entirely sure. Listen to me. I would listen to me the next time. So I said, this is too long, you need to make it shorter. Now it's a harder problem. You have a couple options. I would take off the jacks, just cut them, and you put new jacks on them. And then you can just tack them down like that. That's too long. If it was a little bit long, I could deal with it. This is too long, right? Yes? You can if you would rather. Make sure you heat shrink the whole thing. It's not gonna it's gonna be hard to get this okay? It's gonna be very hard to get this neat. I would suggest you work on it until it's neat. If you need to have somebody took it. There is a hot glue gun around here that you can use. But it should be neat. It should look like just the two jacks. If there's a little wire, it's okay, but it shouldn't look like this. Okay?
Awesome. We've gone around and grabbed as many people, so I want to bring it back to you to say a few.
Thank you for letting me use my phone and my platform.
And that too. And hopefully you approve when you go back to review.
Alright, so hi. Hi everybody. If you're in the Orlando area, we're at OTC, Orange Technical College, Mid-Florida campus. You're welcome to come by. Happy to see you. It is going to be crazy here for another 2 or 3 hours, and then I get to clean up after you all. Yeah. So this is great. All these things are going to go to Orange County, Pinellas County, Pasco County schools. They're going to go to the Aphasia House. I don't know, a bunch of other groups around here who need adapted toys. And the kids are all doing great. Obviously, neatness we're working on, but we have a very strict quality control over in Lori, and so we're doing great. So, thank you. Bye.